Warning: earwax is nothing pretty to look at. This segment contains images and videos of earwax before, during, and after removal. Hello and welcome to Buke's World at Channel Buke. Here I'll cover an array of content from DIYs, discussions, pro-life tips, editorials, you name it. In order to stay abreast of all new content as I post it, hit that subscribe button. Then hit the little bell icon to get a notification as I post. And if you find this video helpful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hey, thanks for joining me here today at Buke's World. Today's topic is earwax, one of the body's natural defense systems, which gone unmaintained will result in an excessive wax buildup, which will result in hearing loss, pain and discomfort, and can even affect your equilibrium. Now let's take a look at the ugly side of earwax and what it looks like when it's impacted in the ear canal and being removed. As I stated in the beginning of this video, earwax is not a pretty sight. Now, it's never recommended to use a Q-tip to try to remove earwax from inside your ear canal. Using a Q-tip in the ear canal can actually push excessive wax further into the ear canal, impacting it up against your eardrum. If you find yourself with excessive earwax in your ear, telltale signs are pain, loss of hearing, feeling a little off balance, it is always recommended to consult a doctor. Now, I would be remiss not to mention that there are a slew of home remedy earwax removal kits and devices in the market. I will not endorse or discredit any particular kit, device, solution, or technique in removing the earwax. I haven't personally run a comparative test to give you an honest or personal opinion on which one works best. So with all said, I recommend that you research the safety and efficacy of any product that you plan to use, as well as consulting with your doctor, your PHP, your physician, or any ear specialist to ensure that you use the right product safely and effectively. And there you have it, a quick synopsis on earwax. As always, I want to thank you for tuning in to Buke's World. Hopefully this video has given you some insight. Be sure to look out for my future pro-life tips. Until next time. In order to stay abreast of all new content I post, go back and hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the little bell icon to be notified of all new content as I post it.